Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Esto Arcus by Esto Group located in Andheri. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. Right behind me is the actual land parcel. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing what points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project will be spread across the land parcel of 0.34 acres that will have one tower of 2 basement, ground plus 21 residential floors having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3.5 BHK premium residences. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near Lokhandwala Complex Road, Versova, Andheri West. From where Versova metro station is only at a distance of 1.2 kilometers, Infinity Mall is at a distance of 1.6 kilometers and you have Andheri railway station at a distance of 3.6 kilometers from the project. And now talking about the amenities, this project has kids play area, seating area, barbecue seating area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configurations and carpet area, as said, this project has 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3.5 BHK residences with 1 BHK in the carpet area of 489 to 519 square feet, 2 BHK in the carpet area of 641 to 789 square feet and 3.5 BHK in the carpet area of 1139 square feet. Also, for pricing, brochure and other details, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Esto Arcus by Esto Group located in Andheri.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.